Today I'm going to pick some simple lever locks. Some of them are single lever, some of them are 6 lever, 4 lever, but basically they all work basically the same. This one doesn't have a name on it anywhere other than the picture of a rooster. It doesn't have a key either. So here's the pick I'll be using. The wire, small wire. Just a matter of hitting the sweet spot. There we go. We got that one. Here's a smaller one, and it's a Miller. There's the key for it. It's a single lever. So all have spring action to them. Locked. Get that in there. Boom. They are very simple. These are a little bit more complicated. They have more levers in them. This is, it's a Yale Town and Country, Stamford, Connecticut. And it has the number 455 marked on it. And this does not have a key either. The wire, bigger than the other ones because smaller lock, smaller opening, smaller levers. This is for a little bit larger. There we go. Got that one. And this one has a different keyway to it. Different type of key. So it has levers on both sides. And it says on here, secure lever. It's kind of hard to read. No markings on the back, plain. Rotate it. Nice snap to it. Probably has 3 or 4 levers on each side here that the key pushes simultaneously to unlock it. You have to approach this type of lock through the top opening, and usually doing it this way you can bypass one set of levers by manipulating the main levers here that hold this together, holds that shackle down. This is also spring loaded, so no tension is required on any of these locks because they're spring. It's kind of hard to get this thing in there without getting all twisted up. Several attempts just to get it in there. matter of holding your mouth just right. So much trouble. Make sure it's working. You're doing fine, so it's got to be me. Oh, surprise, surprise. Amazing. All right, here we have. This is a Reese skewer lever. It says Made in USA on the back. And it's like the other lock here, except this key doesn't turn, or it does turn. It's the key for the lock, that's why. Okay, but it doesn't fit this one. It does. I wonder if it unlocks it. It does. Hey, something I just learned. Huh, okay. One key unlocks both of them. Looking at them, yeah, they look almost identical. Same body shape, same clasp. This clasp is a little bit different. Shackle rather. But these little ears are identical. Oh. Okay. Let's see how, if this is easier to pick than the other one is. Yep. There we go. All right. And the last one I have here is a Winchester 6 lever. And here is the key. Unique looking. It's a Howell key. There we go. Now I'm not going to pick this one. Show you another bypass method. So Boston and Bill do this. So what you do is you get a small hammer that's got a plastic end or rubber end on it. What you're going to do is you're going to strike the shackle about right there. What that does, let's see if you can see inside. See the levers in there. 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom there. 3 there, 3 there. What it does is when the shackle is in there, the levers pinch it closed. And striking it with the hammer vibrates these levers back. And the shackle opens. That's the theory. So we'll give it a chance. Let's see if I can hit it without hitting the camera. See if it'll open. There we go. Popped it open. So there we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lever locks, and got them open without too much of a problem. Thanks for watching, and please comment below and subscribe if you're not. Thank you.